District Houston Chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We've got Gina in here with us this morning for her very first visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. She's seen other chiropractors in the past, which did give her some relief, so I was glad to hear that. But this is her first adjustment here, and her husband Homer referred her in here. She's originally from Monterrey, Mexico, but lives here in the Houston area now, right?
Yes.
And she comes in complaining of low back pain that radiates out into her right SI joint, all the way into her right hamstring, down to her right knee, and she gets pain in her right leg and knee. Thoracic spine tightness up between her shoulder blades up here. She gets some cricks in her neck, sleeping wrong sometimes. And she gets headaches twice a week. Start back here in the occipital region, go around. And she also has some numbness and tingling. You said these two digits, right? SC7 and C8. Oh, SC6 and C7 there. Better change that on here. Okay, better. And then she also gets some TMJ pain on both sides. She clenches her teeth at night. And she gets pain in her TMJ joint. So I'll adjust her jaw today. That'll be something new for this video for y'all. She's a little nervous getting her first ring dinger today, but I told her I didn't have any hits on my trophy wall yet, except for Bones there, and I bought him in Palmer Library.
All right.
All right, we're going to lay you back on your stomach now, Gina, face down in here. Right leg short by about 1/4 of an inch, gets even up here. Does that tighten up in your lower back there, Gina? So that's a positive Deerfield and Knockless on the right. So I'm going to start off adjusting her right SI joint. And this table's going to drop out, Gina, and you're going to feel some pressure on your bones here. Some of these might be a little sore at first, but they'll feel better once I get them back in place. Yep. Straight P to A on your lumbar spines, a little I to S as we get up higher. There you go. Atta girl. Crackhead's gonna love you, Gina. See, it's even now. I bet you this already feels a little easier, but you tell me.
Yes.
Cool. I already knew the answer to that, but I figured I'd ask you anyway. Yep. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. See, I sent your husband home with his head still intact. Okay, slide down this way a little bit. About
To
an
the
inch.
side?
Just
Oh, slide down.
Yeah, now put both arms out, palms up. Your English is very good for being from Mexico. I'm just poquito Espanol. There you go. You can relax your hands right there. Okay, so I'm gonna check her TMJ out now. Go ahead and open your mouth. Ooh boy, I felt that. Go close it again. Now open it again. You see how it goes down and zigzags over to the left. You feel that? Okay, open your mouth halfway only. Okay, just relax it though, halfway. Breathe. There it is, right there. Did you feel that move? I'm not done yet. Okay, relax. There it is. Nice deep breath again. Now exhale and open your mouth. Open it all the way. Yeah, still popping on that left side there. Go ahead and do it again. Okay, close it. Open it. One more time. There it is. Okay, now open it. Okay, open it again. And one more time, Gina. Now open it and close it. That's a little better.
A little bit still on
It's still
this side,
clicking, but
yes.
it's going straight now at least.
This one's not.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, I'm not going to hit you again. You'd be feeling like a punch your lights out when you get home. You have a couple of black eyes. Where'd you get those? Oh, my chiropractor. All right, let's have you sit up and face towards Homer. There we go. Keep an eye on your grinding your teeth tonight. See if you can grind a little bit less after that adjustment. There we go. TMJs are real tricky joints. They're hard to treat. Yeah. Well, I moved your joints on both sides. All right. Yep. Okay, let's have you come over here. I'm gonna have you lay on your back with your butt there. Head up this way, Gina. Atta girl. Okay, you can relax your hands right there. I'm gonna raise your legs up with this table. You pin your pelvis in on both sides here. Get you good and tight. There we go. That's tight, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want to keep your teeth together on this, so don't clench them, just keep them together.
Mm-hmm.
And get this under your mandible. Nice deep breath through your nose for me now. Wiggle your left big toe. Atta girl. You actually followed instructions. Good for you. Did you feel that all the way down your spine, Gina? Your head's,
Yes, I
your head's
did.
still attached to you, by the way. Don't get up yet.
Wow.
That's a wow adjustment, isn't it? Bet you never had that adjustment before.
Mm.
There you go. You kind of hanging on to that neck today. She's still worried about me ripping her head off.
I was worried about
Here.
the toe when you told me to wiggle the toe that I forgot you were gonna do.
Well, that's why I do it. I just need to distract you for a split second, and then I get you. Okay, just come over this way. So I'm going to stretch your muscles out with this instrument. This will help relax your paraspinal musculature. Still some sore spots there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is your homework, Gina. Your head is forward, pulling your shoulders forward. So shoulders up and back like this. Yep, there you go. And we're going to bring that head straight back. You might want to spread your feet a little bit further apart. There you go. Back this way and then like this. You're going to feel a little tap on your atlas there. And there. Okay, now relax. Now, flex your head forward and backwards again. See if this feels any easier up here yet.
Mm-hmm.
Smoother?
Yes.
Take a look in the mirror now. You're right down the middle everywhere. Your hands are at your sides now as opposed to being out in front of you like a Neanderthal. So, Gina, what would you tell our other crack addicts around the world about your first experience here at our office?
You guys need to come. It's awesome. A good experience. He popped my jaw. I mean, you adjusted whatever
Both
it's
sides,
called.
yeah.
Yes.
TMJ.
And my jaw pops every time I open my mouth. It's literally gone.
Great.
Yes. I'm
Well,
so
welcome to
happy I
Advanced
did
Chiropractic
it.
Relief.
Yes. Thank you
Thank
so
Homer
much.
for referring you in here.
Yes.
He does know what he's talking about after all.
Please take me out to lunch for referring me.
Oh, there you go. See how that works?
She's leaving.
So here, come over here. I'm not done, Gina.
Oh, you're not done?
Not yet.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. All right, so this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Gina with the better TMJ function now after her bilateral TMJ adjustment today. Thank you for doing your video today.
Thank you so much.
We'll see y'all soon.